Hello, and welcome to the PowerEgg X tutorial. This section shows you how to install PowerEgg X's waterproof case. A waterproof case can protect your drone from water damage. First, insert PowerEgg X in drone mode into the waterproof case. Ensure that the rubber seal strip of the case attaches tightly to the arms. Next, snap the buckles shut to secure the case into place. Unfold arms and landing gears. Power on the remote controller. Start the drone. And run the Vision Plus 2 app to enter waterproof case mode. That's all for this section. Thank you for watching.